Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike here at RCRX. Just wanted to bring you a quick video. I just got back from running the stretched Typhon and was hoping I'd get some faster runs than I did on or with the Spectrum ESC. So what I've done is I've put the Hobby Wing Max 6 in it, as you guys could see from the thumbnail, to see if I could get some more runs in before I got the Mamba Monster X 8S. So what I did was I put the programmer in here, guys, and hopefully you guys can read that. We'll go through what I've got it here. It's forward, reverse brake, normal, auto lipo calculate as normal. I've got the cutoff volts disabled, so it shouldn't have cut on me. I bumped up, this is as high as you can go on it, 257 degrees Fahrenheit, 125 Celsius. Counterclockwise on the motor rotation, 7.4 BEC, 75 brake, 50 reverse. Punch level 4 to go to 5, no drag brake. And that's really it as far as what I can program into this ESC, guys. It did cut on me on the first run, as you guys will see. The next two runs, it didn't cut, but it did feel like on, I'm not sure if it was a second or third run, felt like it cut at the top end. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but that gear is as close as I can get, so I can't really gear this guy down anymore. It can't read what gears I have on here, but it's essentially the stock gear for a limitless, and I want to say 35 or 36 tooth spur, and then on this 1515 here. So this is 2200 kV. What I think I'm going to do is put in this TP 2300 kV. This is their 4050 cam, so you can see it's just a little bit longer than the 1515, 100 kV higher, but I want to say that the max RPM on this is quite a bit higher than the Castle's, so might get that in there, see what we can do. I ran it on the last pass. I ran it on these Gens Ace Bastion batteries. They're 6800 milliamp. I put 2 packs in here with the series connector on it. The first two runs rather, I did with the CNHL 5200 milliamp hour, and I think these are 90C. These are 120C. So I don't know, guys. You'll see in the runs how fast she went. If you guys have any comments on what might be happening with this thing, other than maybe just obviously get rid of it. It's not a speed run motor, and as you can see, it does not have cat packs other than what's in the ESC. So that could be possibly why it was cutting on me. But anyway, guys, we'll get straight into the video. Leave me a comment if you have any clue as to what's going on. Obviously, I can't check any data logs to find out anything, so good reason to put in the Mamba Monster X. But we'll get straight to the run, guys. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, we're out here with the stretched Typhon. We got the Max 5 in it. We got it turned on, and we're gonna try to make a pass here. I got it on 6S China Hobby line, and we're gonna see what it'll do. Tracking. Got a car coming behind us. Got one coming in front of us too. Of course. All right, let's start over. Zero. Tracking. See what we can do, guys. See what we can do. All right, here we go. So for whatever reason, again, guys, it did cut. And I've got all that stuff turned off. Not sure why. Why it cut on me. I didn't bring the programmer with me to find out, so let's see how fast that was. That was 94 miles an hour, guys. Unless it's getting unless the ESC just gets hot that fast. I don't know what else it could be. Motor's not hot. ESC don't feel hot. I may have got into it just a little too fast. I don't know, guys. Turn it off, turn it back on, try it one more time. Maybe I can get into it a little easier. So I calibrated the ESC just now. I forgot to do that before I got out here. I do not know if that's why it cut. Maybe it thought I was at full throttle. I'm not certain. But I do have it calibrated now. So we're gonna send it back down one more time and see what it does. Because I think it should do more than 96 miles an hour. Okay. 0. Tracking. It's busy on this road today for a Sunday. All right, guys, here we go. Dang car. I don't know if that was faster, guys, but it didn't cut that time, so. Oh, let's see. Guys, that was 101. So we made some progress. I don't know how much this battery has left in it. I was gonna bring my temperature gun with me, and I forgot, of course. Man, it doesn't even seem like the motor's trying, guys. $101, so that's not too terrible. I'm gonna let it cool down a second. I think I'm gonna switch the batteries out to 2 packs, 6800 milliamps. So we'll do that and we'll give it one more shot, guys. All right, guys, I got it switched out to the Gens Ace batteries. I've got 2 6800 milliamp packs in here. This road is, for whatever reason, really busy today. More busy than normal. So I made a 101 mile an hour run, as you guys probably have seen already, and had to kind of abort it because a car was coming over the top down at the other end. So we're gonna get it down here and see if we can best 101 here, guys. This will be the last run today. Hopefully it's a good one, guys. Hopefully it's a good one. Zero. Tracking. Okay. Let's get her down there, guys. Here we go. All right, here we go, guys. See how fast she went. I still feel like it cut up at the top end. Another 101, guys, so I don't know. I don't know. I don't have the programmer with me here to see whether or not it's suddenly getting to that 200 and something degrees where you can't shut the thermal cutoff on the ESC completely off, but I do have the LiPo cutoff completely shut off. So I'm not sure, guys. Motor's a little warmer that time. ESC's a little warmer, but it's not overly hot, at least it don't seem like. So 101, guys. Looks like that's fast as we're gonna get it to go today. I don't know. Hopefully we'll get the Mamba Monster X8S in it, and we can figure out if that's what it is or if it's just the limit. I don't think it's the limit because I've had it at 110 with these gears on the other ESC. So guys, I appreciate you watching. If you're subscribed, thank you very much. If you're not, think about hitting that subscribe button. Leave me a like. Leave me some comments, guys. If you have any comments on what you think might be going on, let me know. And I'll see if I can take a look at it. Otherwise, guys, you have a great rest of your evening, and I'll see you in the next one.